Your LinkedIn headline is one of the most important parts of your LinkedIn profile. Firstly, because it's a searchable field. Secondly, because you see it everywhere you go on LinkedIn. Whether in the search results, you're connecting with someone, you're sending a DM, your LinkedIn headline follows you everywhere you go. So having a good headline is vital. And in this video, I'm showing you how to build your LinkedIn headline with real examples focusing on searchability, value, and leveraging AI. So let's get into it. The first thing to keep in mind when you're creating your LinkedIn headline is that your headline needs to be keyword rich and value based. Your headline isn't just a label, it is a snapshot of your professional background. It highlights your key skills and your expertise. And you only have 220 characters to capture someone's attention. So every single character counts. So what you need to keep in mind is that your headline needs to be keyword rich so people can find you, and it needs to provide value, immediately showing what you bring to the table. So this means going above the default headline that you get on LinkedIn, which is your job title at the company that you work for. You need to be able to actually demonstrate what value you bring to the table and include the relevant keywords in your headline. And I'll show you a few examples of how to actually do that. Before we get into the examples, a couple of things to keep in mind that your headline must include. When you're writing your LinkedIn headline, the very first thing that you want to keep in mind is keywords. But you want to think of keywords people will use to find you. What would someone actually type in the search field if they were looking for you? So your headline isn't just about what you call yourself. It's about what recruiters, hiring managers, or other professionals will type in that search bar. I'll give myself as an example. I'm a certified career strategist, but I know people are not going to use the word strategist when they're looking for me. They're going to use career coach, or they're going to use executive coach. So my headline reflects these words because I know these are the words that my ideal audience would use if they're looking for someone with my skills. So you have to think of it in the exact same way for yourself. Use the words that someone would type in the search bar if they were looking for someone with your expertise. The second thing is don't be vague. I know sometimes people will put in their titles, guru or master this, or, they use all kinds of catchy types of wording to be able to create their headline. Again, it needs to be specific. Are you a software engineer? Are you a marketing director? Just say it instead of trying to be creative and finding different ways to say what you do when those are not the words that people will type to look for you. And then your headline needs to demonstrate impact. How do you contribute beyond your daily task? How are you that person that can get them the results that they're looking for? So let's say you're a sales manager. Instead of saying sales manager, maybe you'll say sales manager grew Q3 revenue by 25% by optimizing client engagement. This really shows impact. This shows that you're not just any other sales manager. You have a specific focus of being able to optimize client engagement. I have clients who have been contacted within 24 hours, 36 hours of updating their LinkedIn headline and their LinkedIn profile. So keyword optimization for your headline and your profile is so important. And if you're working on your LinkedIn profile as a whole, I do have another video where I go into detail. It's like a 30-minute masterclass on how to create your LinkedIn profile. I'll link it right above, and you can check out that video because you'll get insight on how to create your whole profile and not just your headline. So let's look at some headline examples. The first one is the impact-driven professional. This is where you're talking really about the impact that you've been able to achieve for a company, and you're focusing on leading with your value. The first example is the impact-driven professional, and this is where your headline immediately quantifies your value and highlights your key strengths. So we have here leading complex tech projects, financial risk management, drove over 98 million in savings in 2024. So this is the value, the result, the impact. And then we have a couple of keywords that follow. So this is one example of focusing on demonstrating impact as a professional in your headline. Another example is the problem solver. So this is an I help statement. That's what we typically call it. Very common for business owners. This is the headline that I use. A lot of my executive clients also like using using an I help statement. So this is, I help businesses pivot through challenging market shifts, drive sustainable growth, and secure critical funding, followed by a bunch of keywords that help for searchability. So that is another example of your LinkedIn headline. Example number 3 is when you're creating value. This is when you focus on the tangible results that you can deliver. Very similar to number 1, where you're focusing on value and impact, and it goes beyond the role to describe the benefit of your work. So in this situation, the person is talking about uncovering discrepancies of millions of dollars. And if, again, you want to quantify, like example number 1, you would take it even to the next level if you would quantify. Here, they kept it simple. In certain situations, your job title is a keyword, is a searchable field. Like in this example here, senior financial analyst, that is their job title, and that's what they want to be found for. So they kept that in their LinkedIn headline, and that works very well if your job title matches the keywords that you want to be found for. Number 4 is the keyword powerhouse. This is when you just want maximum searchability, and you're just going to stack a bunch of keywords, not just random words for the sake of completing a LinkedIn headline, but actually doing it strategically. So these are all keywords that the person wants to be found for, and it ensures that they appear in a wide range of relevant searches. The 5th example is when you focus more on your niche. This is when you're highlighting deep, specialized expertise that is often in a high demand area. So for example, this person focuses on AI ethics and governance, so they want to make sure that those keywords are in their headline. It is still the keyword rich kind of format, but it also provides a focus on the niche that this person has, and it positions them as an authority in their specific field. So that is one example of the niche specific. Number 6 is the hybrid skill set. So I have quite a bit of people who come to me and they ask me, okay, I have 2 jobs, or I have a job and a side hustle. How can I bring them together? So we have this person who is a medical scientist who's also focused on data analysis. And always, even if you do 2 things that are very different, there's always a common thread. And that's what you want to be able to find, the common thread between the 2 things that you do. But this is how you showcase or bridge 2 distinct domains. So clinical research coordinator and data scientist, bridging medical science with advanced analytics for drug discovery, patient outcomes, and regulatory compliance. So this is how you can really demonstrate a unique multidisciplinary skill set in one LinkedIn headline. So you can showcase both job titles. Here the keywords are clinical research coordinator and data scientist. If there's anything that you're taking away from these examples, your role needs to be clear, or your niche needs to be clear. You need to demonstrate unique value and keyword optimize. I cannot say that again. So you can definitely use AI to help you create the ideal LinkedIn profile headline. The thing I want you to keep in mind is that AI doesn't know your specific career journey. It doesn't know the specific impact that you've made in your career, and it doesn't know your unique personal brand. You need to be able to feed that information to it for it to be able to provide you something unique enough so that you stand out in the job market. So don't just prompt the AI to say, give me a LinkedIn headline for a project manager, or give me a LinkedIn headline for a marketing director. It's just going to give you something generic that sounds like every other person on LinkedIn. You need to be the one to infuse your story, infuse your results into the headline, as we've seen in the various examples that I've showed you. Also keep in mind that there are tons of resources out there these days, so you can just Google search LinkedIn headline generator and you'll get tons of pages that will help you to be able to create your headline. So as I was saying earlier, your LinkedIn headline is just one important part of your LinkedIn profile. So if you're working on your profile as a whole, check out this video right here. It's a 30-minute masterclass, and I'm breaking down detail by detail how to create a LinkedIn profile that gets you hired. I'll see you in that one.